Hello students, I am going to discuss chapter 2 of Beehive. This is the second video of Evelyn Glennie. In this, I am going to discuss question answers of this chapter. So, your first question is thinking about the text. Now, answer these questions in a few words or a couple of sentences each. First question is, how old was Glennie? How old was Evelyn when she went to the Royal Academy of Music? The answer is written in the first page here. On the first page here, it is written that she was 17 years old when she went to the Royal Academy of Music in London. It is written here, she was 17 years and it was her first day at the prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London. So till here you can find out that she was 17 years old and it was her first day at that prestigious institution of music in London. She was quite nervous because she was from a Scottish farm and it was her first day there. The answer should be short. When was her deafness first noticed? When was it confirmed? Here again on the first page you can see that when she was 8 years old and was waiting for her chance to play the piano, her name was called, but she didn't move. Then suddenly Isabel Glennie, her mother, realized that she hadn't heard. That means she was not able to hear her name when she was called. And the second part is, when was it confirmed? For quite some time she concealed her growing deafness. From whom? From friends and teachers. So quite some time she hid her growing deafness from her friends and teachers. But by the time she was 11, her marks deteriorated. And then her headmistress urged her parent to take her to the specialist. At the age of 11, when her marks deteriorated, her teachers observed that, and then her parents were called and were urged by the headmistress to take her to the specialist so that she could be, and then there they discovered that her hearing was severely impaired as a result of gradual nerve damage. So till here your answer number 2, severely nerve damage. Then question number 2, answer each of these questions in short paragraph in 30 to 40 words. Who helped her to continue with music and what did he do and say? Actually, her other teachers had discouraged her, but percussionist Ron Forbes spotted her potential and he encouraged her to continue with the music. He started tuning 2 large drums to different notes, and he suggested her to listen through her some other way, not to listen through her ears, but to sense the music by some other way. Her other teachers discouraged her, but the percussionist Ron Forbes spotted her potential, and he began by tuning two large drums to different notes, and then he asked her not to listen through her ears, rather she should sense it by some other way. And then the question is, what did he do? He made her realize to feel the higher drum from the waist up and lower from the waist down. Clear? So this is on page number 18. This is in the second paragraph of page number 18. Now, another question is, name the various places and causes for which Evelyn performs. Name the various places and causes for which Evelyn performs. Here you can write from the first page, you can take this line that she, at the age of 17, she auditioned at the prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London. Then on page number 18, in the third paragraph, you can write she toured the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra. Then you can write about here she also gave free concerts in prisons and hospitals. She also gave high priority to classes for young musicians. So this answer you have to take from different pages. From the first page, you can write that at the age of 17, she auditioned at the prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London. Then from the second page, that is from page number 18, you can write down she toured the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra and had made music her life. She had captured most of the top awards, also you can write, or as you wish. And then page number 20, you can take this line that apart from the regular concerts, Evelyn also gave free concerts in prisons and hospitals. She also gave high priority to classes for young musicians. Then the third question, answer the questions in 2 or 3 paragraphs. How does Evelyn hear music? Here you can write about her from page number 18 that when percussionist Ron Forbes spotted her potential, he began by tuning 2 large drums to different notes. He asked her not to listen through her ears. She should try to sense it some other way. And he also told her that she should feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower from the waist down. That means she should feel the higher notes through the upper part of her body from above the waist, and the lower notes of the other drum through the lower part of her body, that is below the waist. Then in page number 19 also you can get answer in the last paragraph, that here it is written, Evelyn could feel music penetrate her body through various paths. Like here cheekbones, then skin, hair, and when she played a xylophone, the sound, she felt the sound, she could feel the sound passing up the sticks into her fingertips. When the drums were played, she could feel the echo, or you can feel the resonance flowing into her body. And on a wooden platform, she used to remove her shoes so that she could feel the vibration through her bare feet and up her legs. So you can get the answer 3 on page number 18 in paragraph 2nd and page number 19 in the second paragraph. So you have to take answers from both the paragraphs and you have to write in your own words in 2 to 3 paragraphs. Understood? The limit is given that you have to write in 100 to 150 words. Okay? So if you have any problem, you can go on Google and you can get the answer of these questions. Thank you.